Hi guys, I'm KB Kwan from Taste of Asian Food. Today I want to show you how to prepare the pull-apart garlic bread. The uniqueness of this garlic bread is the garlic butter in between the slices, and therefore you don't even need a knife, but you can just tear it apart. In this video, I want to show you my version of pull-apart garlic bread. Let's take a look. We start by preparing the dough. Mix the following dry ingredients: the bread flour, salt, yeast, and sugar. Mix well before adding the wet ingredients. Egg, and milk. Then combine all the ingredients into a wet dough. You can continue manually knead the dough, or with the help with an electric mixer. After a few minutes, the dough will become less sticky. Now add the butter. Continue the process until it becomes smooth and shiny. It is ready when it is clean from the bowl. No longer sticky, becomes stretchable, and have a smooth surface. At this time, you can stretch it to become a thin layer and it will not break. Cover and set aside. Alright, now we move on to prepare the garlic butter. Mince the garlic. Add some salt. Some mixed dry herbs. And the garlic to the soft butter. After 30 to 40 minutes, the dough should have doubled in size. Punch out the air, and now you notice the dough is very soft. And highly stretchable. Rest for a few minutes to let it relax. Then roll it out to a rectangle. Spread the garlic butter on the surface evenly. Then cut the dough into small pieces, and should be just slightly shorter than the width of the bread pan. Now arrange the dough pieces upright in the bread pan. Cover and proof it for half an hour. Preheat the oven to 180 degrees Celsius. Apply some egg wash. Bake for about 20 minutes or until the surface turns slightly brown. Remove it. Sprinkle with some sugar, some cheese of your choice, and some parsley. Return it to the oven. Bake until the cheese turns color. And here's the final result. That's how I make my pull-apart garlic bread. And if you like to get the recipe, I've included it in the description below the video. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel by clicking the subscribe button and give me a like. I'll see you again in some other videos on this channel soon. Bye for now.